Hey guys, just got up and I'm really excited about today because I'm going to be taking my nephew to the Chelsea versus Manchester United game. And my nephew Miles is 8. It's actually his birthday today, and he's a big Chelsea fan just like me. And I flew out from New York to surprise him with this game. So you're going to see us, just spend the day and go watch the game, and hopefully Chelsea can get the 3 points. It's a massive game for the Blues because we're sitting mid-table right now, and if we could get the 3 points, we will climb up a little bit on the table, and it's going to be exciting. So either way, I hope I'm going to have a lot of fun with my nephew, and let's see what's going to happen. So we started our trip in Cambridge, and we took the train. Cambridge is about 60 miles from London, so it's a 45-minute direct train ride into London. Miles got to sit by the window, and I used the time to actually be productive and do some pre-market analysis. The goal was I would get to the hotel and do some trading before we go to the game. And when we got into London, we got into London's King's Cross train station and then went down to the underground to head over to our hotel. We took a nap and had some lunch at the hotel because we got there around 2 o'clock. And after taking our nap and having something to eat, we made our way over to Stamford Bridge. We got there about 15 minutes before kickoff. It was packed, and our tickets were in the East Stand. And once we got there, we got this wonderful man escort us to our seats, and we got there when the players were finishing up their warm-up. Most of the players had already gone down into the dressing rooms to get ready for the game, but some of the substitutes were still on the field warming up. But we were really excited and pumped for this game, and you can see here Miles and Kelvin, my Manchester United friend, right? And as you can see, right before kickoff, the entertainment, the fire came out, which is my favorite part. And obviously, I like it when they play the Liquidator, which is Chelsea's anthem whenever they come out of the tunnel. So it's always a moment when I'm at Stamford Bridge that I'm looking forward to when they play the Liquidator. So with the teams out, it was time for us to really get settled, and you had the players being announced, and the selection I think was as strong as Chelsea could have it. Obviously, Cole Palmer was the man of the hour, right? He's been on amazing form, so we're really excited to see that he was playing. And Miles was really excited to see all the players being shown on the big screen. And he's a big Rhys James fan, but unfortunately, Rhys James is injured. So Cole Palmer right now is his favorite player. So we were really looking forward to see what Cole would be able to do during this game. And after the players had been announced, we can see that they were getting ready for the game in that nice little huddle. It was match on, and kickoff started. We could see some players who had been put on the bench warming up, and the atmosphere was great as the game started. And what's cool about the game is that Chelsea scored fairly early on. It was great for us to get the lead through Conor Gallagher, and then we scored again with another penalty. So we went 2-0 up pretty quickly. And then Manchester United, they came back after a Caicedo mistake. Former Chelsea player comes on. Obviously, he received a lot of boos. I used to be a big Mason Mount fan, so I was definitely bummed when he left to go to United. And we get into the 90th minute. United are still winning 3-2. And then guess who? Yes, Cole Palmer turns the game around. He scores a penalty in the 90th plus 10 minutes into extra time. And then we get a corner about a minute later and we score it and we win 4-2. Massive, massive game. Really enjoyed being at Stamford Bridge, and I'm so glad that Miles got to experience this. Just got back to the hotel. I don't even know where to start. Amazing game. Chelsea scored early, 1-0. They scored again, 2-0. And I'm like, okay, we're going to be cruising. It's going to be an easy game. A mistake by Caicedo, 2-1. And then before the end of this first half, United score another goal, and now it's 2-2. We go to the break at halftime. We start off pretty well in the beginning, but then somehow we lost the plot. We concede 3-2. Manchester United basically turned the game around. And here I am, I'm like, oh my goodness, am I gonna experience this? And the interesting thing is, my friend Kelvin, who's a Manchester United fan, was with us, and then my nephew Miles, he's a Chelsea fan just like me, and we're looking at Kelvin, he's smiling, and we're like, you know, sulking. And the game pretty much went like that until towards the end. Literally, in the dying minutes, like in extra time, we get a penalty, 3-3, and then literally like a minute or two later, we score the winning goal. And Cole Palmer scored a hat trick, 3 goals, and I'm so happy because I brought Miles to the game because it's his birthday. I wanted him to enjoy. What do you think about the game?
I think it's pretty good since, like, if we didn't have Cole Palmer on the team, we would have won. And, like, the transfer that Cole Palmer did from
To Chelsea?
yeah, was pretty good because if he didn't do that, he would have won. We would have won the game.
Okay. Did you enjoy your birthday?
Yes.
Awesome. I'm able to do things like this for Miles and other people that I love because I'm a day trader. And by trading options, it enables me to, make money in the marketplace, in the stock market, and use that to live a life by design. Where I say, like, hey, I want to go watch the Chelsea Manchester United game. I'm able to do it partly because of some of the things that I'm learning in the market. So anyway, this video was about my experience at the Chelsea Manchester United game. If you guys want to learn more about the stock market and how to trade, you can click the link below. But other than that, I will see you guys on the next side. And come on, you Chelsea!